In this video, we will show you how to replace your leak detection pump filter on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to your passenger side front fender. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Overall, this is going to be a fairly easy replacement. We'll make our way right down along the bottom. You'll find that you have this hose. Take hold of it, give it a little wiggle, and slide it off of the bottom of the filter. Once you've done that, you want to give the hose a quick inspection, make sure it's soft and pliable and it's not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. We'll continue on to our 10mm headed mounting bolt. Remove that and then remove the filter. There's our mounting bolt. A quick inspection, we will be reusing this. We can set that aside. And there's our filter, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new filter. Before we do, let's have a look along the back side. We had our mounting bolt hole, we have an alignment stud, and we have this tab that protrudes outward. If you were looking on the inside of the fender, you're going to find a small slot for that tab, and then of course the port for the alignment tab as well. We'll swing this in, and then put in our 10mm headed mounting bolt. Right there's where it feels as though it bottomed out. We'll just make sure that's nice and snug. Continue on to the lower hose. Slide that on there as far as possible. Double check to make sure the hose is secure and the filter is secured to the fender. Okay friends, we fully installed our leak detection pump filter. At this point, you can go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.